The spreadsheet you see on your screen represents a data extraction that is typically obtained when working with the so-called ERP systems, standing for Enterprise Resource Planning. These are integrated software solutions that a company uses in order to collect, store, and manage data from its business activities. Therefore, ERP systems are data warehouses, something like a container that collects the entire information of a firm. The two most popular ERP system providers in the world are Oracle and SAP. The extraction has been made in SAP's Business Objects application. Business Objects is a tool that allows you to extract data that has been stored in the system. The data is naturally downloaded and used in Excel by the firm's financial analysts. As you can see, every row of the extraction contains specific descriptive and financial information. In the left part of the sheet are the so-called descriptive fields, showing descriptive information, like material number, description, the period when this occurred. Then we have the relevant brand, size, pack, client, and client type. On the right side is all the financial information we will need in this exercise. It starts with volume, the amount that was sold per each of these lines. In our first example, this shows that 206 units of 𝗘𝘅𝗃 250 milliliter 4-pack were sold in Kroger supermarkets in January. In the same way, going to the right, we have gross sales and discounts. It is a common practice that clients receive different discounts based on the amount of business they generate. If we then consider the discounts that had been given to clients, we will arrive at net sales. At the right side of the table, we have three additional cost items: cost of goods sold, distribution, and warehousing expenses. Quite intuitively, cost of goods sold shows you how much was spent in order to produce the product. Distribution and warehousing are two items that are often grouped together. Distribution is the transport expenditure that has been sustained in order to deliver a product to a client, while warehousing indicates the cost for keeping the item in the company's warehousing facilities. The extraction we see here is 88,000 rows and expands across 15 columns. This is a lot of data, which makes the file's size a little bigger. Too big Excel files are slower, difficult to work with, and crash very often. Complicated Excel functions are a potential liability in these scenarios. Therefore, we will have to use another instrument in order to obtain a file that is easy to work with and does not crash.